All right, welcome back to our YouTube channel, San Luis Obispo Real Estate. This is Jay Bond Real Estate Group, brokered by eXp Realty. If you're tuning in for a home tour in the heart of Santa Maria, California, you are in the absolute right place. So right behind me is the front door for 923 Christina Street here in beautiful Santa Maria, California. Now, this is the first time this home has been on the market in literally decades. It's a 1961 build, 4 bedrooms, 1 full bathroom, and 2 3/4 baths, right? That's shower, not a bathtub, in this great opportunity in Santa Maria. Now, the house itself is just under 2,200 square feet. The parcel is just under 9,000 square feet. Great space in the yard, fruit trees, a lot of great opportunities here in the Santa Maria home. Why don't we go inside and we'll check it out. All right, here we are in the foyer at 923 Christina Street. Now, real quick, if you like the content you're seeing, hey, do me a favor, hit that thumbs up. If you want to tune in for regular content like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell to receive notifications. We appreciate you. So here we are in the entryway. Now, right behind me is what you're going to consider like your very formal family room, right? So pretty darn open, spacious, great area to maybe hang your TV, put in your sofas, right? That lazy boy recliner, enjoy football with the fam, holidays, etc., etc. A lot of abundant natural light here. And then, of course, we can see the beautiful backyard space from this big open window. I love it. So great opportunity here. We're going to make our way into the formal living room. All right. And again, another big, spacious living space in here. Patio access right through the sliding door out to the backyard, also out to the garage, right? There's a detached 2-car garage there, which we'll take a look at a little later. A big wood-burning fireplace as well. Now, this is gas-driven, right? So gas starter key, as we see there. So a really cool place, again, just to enjoy. Very classic living room setup in here. We noticed that a lot of the finishes in the home are still very original. So this is, structurally a great property, but the bones are here for someone to really come in and change the whole aesthetic and look and feel and make it their own home, right? And so just off of the formal living room, we have our formal dining space, right? And again, we have this great window here, small plantation shutters, and a great space for your formal dining table. Now, taking a look at the adjacent kitchen, right? And again, we have a great canvas in here, everything functioning, but we do have a great canvas for someone to come in, family, whoever, and really make this their own home, right? So great opportunity to come in here, renovate, do some improvements. I mean, you have a nice, large, almost 2,200 square foot footprint, right? To accomplish that. That's hard to get out all at once. Of going. And then here we go, right? So just off of the kitchen, we do have an access from the street into the homes, right? So a side access there, you don't always see that. And then we have our utility sink, all of our laundry set up here, right? Our hot and cold. And then we actually have a half bath coming off, right? We have the shower as well as the commode, sink as you come out. So ultimately just about a 3/4 bath. And then access to the back patio from that space there, right? And then let's go ahead now and make our way to see the bedrooms, right? Okay, here we are in bedroom number 1. And again, a decent sized bedroom in here, right? Original wood floors, as we see, plenty of closet space, nice window, good amount of natural light pouring through here. And again, a great opportunity to really come in and make this room your own, right? Choose your color palette, maybe redo these floors or put down some new product, whatever you choose. But refinishing old wood floors can be a real reward if you put in the time and make the investment there. Let's make our way down to guest bed number 2. And there's carpet down currently, but as we see a little peekaboo, there is that original wood floor exposed right there, right? So again, you could come in, recarpet, new flooring, or redo the wood floors that are in here and give it that real good finished pop. But we have a nice little bench, reading area, sitting area, absorb some light coming in from outside, and we get to see the neighborhood surrounding right here. So really nice view from this bedroom. And then we've got our guest bath. So this is the one full bath in the house, right? Dual vanities, bathtub, shower, commode. We've got some linoleum product down right now, but again, just a great opportunity to come in and really pick new finishes for your bath, right? Now down the halls we see, this is something you see in homes of this era. We have a bunch of abundant cabinet space, linen or otherwise, right? So a lot of storage in here, which is awesome. And then we're able to make our way into bedroom number 3, guest bed number 3. All right, even though the orientation of this room is a little off from the street, we're still getting a nice amount, right, of natural light through the window. Nice spacious room, and we see the theme of the original wood flooring throughout. Again, great opportunity. Hey, if you want to pick new flooring or if you want to take the time to refinish these wood floors, I think you're going to be happy with the aftermath once you do so, because original wood floors are nice and beautiful when they've been done correctly. That's for sure. All right. And then we are in the master bedroom. Nice and spacious. You can fit a king-size bed in here without a doubt. Room for large pieces of furniture. And again, some natural light coming through here. The window, this is overlooking the back patio. All right, so you can keep an eye on what's going on there. You might even open this up per se and put in some French doors. That's an opportunity as well. Kind of open it up right to the patio off the master. It's a pretty cool idea. And then making our way in here, we've got closet space, walk-in closet space. And then we've got our bath in here, right? We've got 3/4 bath, so shower, sink, commode behind the door right here. And again, a canvas for someone to really come in and make this their own bathroom, design their own taste and flavor, right? And potentially a little bit of room to maybe expand that bathroom as well, right? So some cool opportunities with the layout and the square footage, some things to think about, process, play around with in here. So why don't we go outside? We're gonna check out the back patio, the backyard, and then we'll make our way into the 2-car garage. All right, now here we are in the back patio space at 923 Christina Street. And as we see, look at all this dance floor space out here, right? Big concrete patio, great place for hosting birthday parties, entertaining, barbecues, the whole lot, bunch of opportunity here, right? Nice big space. And then right behind me, we also have a great yard space as well, right? So whether you were thinking, hey, should I lay down some sod? Should I put some turf down here, right? A lot of great opportunities, and you have a nice canvas for really making that decision. Now notice along that back retaining wall there, we have a nice, really sizable garden bed that runs parallel there. Great opportunity, fruits and vegetables, flowers, right? Whatever you want to focus on for your garden. And then we also have some citrus trees right here. We notice we've got a nice lemon tree, and from what I can tell, mandarin orange tree as well. Right, so some pre-existing mature fruit-bearing trees. Now real quick, I love to ask again in the video, if you like what you're seeing, hey, make sure you hit that thumbs up. If you want to stay tuned to regular content from us, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ding that bell if you want to receive notifications from us as well. So one last thing to check out at this great property is the 2-car garage. Now, right, this is a detached garage. It faces the other side of the street right here adjacent, but a nice sizable garage. So we're going to go inside and check out that space. Now here we are in the garage, right? And as we see, it's a nice wide garage space. We have our 2-car garage door, and then we actually have some additional width here for storage space, which is great. Now, as we can see, this is an unfinished garage. Now, what do we mean by unfinished? Meaning that it's exposed beam in here, right? So you have an opportunity to insulate, hang drywall, really decide, hey, where do I want my workbench? As we see the previous owners, they had some hooks here hanging for tools, etc. So you've got workbench space, As we see up here, additional storage. So this could be a really great man cave. Could be a great place for not just parking your cars and storing them, but also working on them, keeping all of your tools, shop supplies, everything in one safe, sound place for you. So guys, thanks so much for tuning in. Again, this is 923 Christina Street here in Santa Maria, California. This home is listed at $590,000 and hitting the market soon. So if you're looking as an investor, if you're looking as a first-time home buyer, maybe even just a single-family home purchaser, I think this is a great opportunity in a very established Santa Maria neighborhood to hang your hat, make this home your own, and have a great and bright next chapter for yourselves. So thank you for tuning in. Stay tuned for our next video.